Sarto. Kami po muli ang inyong naging tagapagbalita. Ako po si Melanie Ocampo. At ako naman po si Fremi Belamala. Maraming salamat at magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Oras sa Pilipinas, 12:42 na ng tanghali at ang oras na iyan ay hatid sa atin ng Bingo Plus.
Kakain ka na lang, pinagtaya mo ka?
Pusta de peligro yan!
Uutang ka pa para makapaglaro?
Pusta de peligro yan!
Hindi ka na makabayad ng bills, kakahabol ng talo?
Pusta de peligro yan!
Ang gaming, dapat fun lang. Pag pusta de peligro na, pause na muna. DigiPlus is the parent organization of Bingo Plus, Arena Plus, and Game Zone. Visit tagcore.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@tagcore.ph. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Pag pusta de peligro na, pause muna. A message from DigiPlus. Fujidenzo believes that appliances are long-term investments, so it is very important to choose wisely. And what could be a wiser choice than using reliable, durable, and energy-saving appliances from Fujidenzo? Just like families and companies trusting Fujidenzo, you will see the difference when you upgrade your usual appliances to Fujidenzo HD inverter appliances. Fujidenzo, quality above all. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fujidenzo. Quality above all. Whirlpool simplifies daily life with innovative appliances for laundry, cooking, and cooling. And at the heart of it all is the Whirlpool refrigerator, helping to keep your food fresh and your kitchen running smoothly day and night. With Whirlpool's Zen inverter technology, it cools efficiently and saves energy. Whirlpool, American innovation that works for your lifestyle. Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool. Prepare delightful dishes every time with Technogas Technique appliances. Experience excellent cooking results with Technogas Technique's premium selection of cooking ranges, range hoods, built-in hobs, ovens, and kitchen appliances. Technogas Technique combines elegance, functionality, safety, and durability to enhance your skills and passion for cooking. Make Technogas Technique your cooking partner and fill your kitchen with appliances made to last. That's the Technogas Technique.
Libreng pagbabalita mula sa DZME 1530. Una sa kanan ang Pilipinang may paninindigan kasama ang Like Radio News FM station nationwide. Capital Broadcasting Center Network Balita Nationwide. Problema sa makukulit na kapitbahay, sa barangay, sa pulis, o problema sa pag-abroad o sa abroad bilang OFW. Anumang sakit ng ulo yan, inlapit kay Ka-Rex. Siya na ang hahanap ng paraan para kayo ay matulungan at masolve ang inyong problema. Inlapit kay Ka-Rex. Dito sa Target On Air. Narito na ang programang tututok sa pangangailangan ng Pilipino. Alalay sa mga hinaing at paghingi ng aksyon. Gagabay para sa mas maayos na pagtugon sa mga nangangailangan. Servisyo Radyo 1. Servisyo Radyo 1. Diretsahang sasagutin ng mga kinauukulan ng mga reklamo at hinaing ng taong bayan. Servisyo Radyo 1. Sisikaping sagutin ang mga tanong sa iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Servisyo Radyo 1. Mapapanood at mapapakinggan dito sa DZME 1530, ang inyong Radyo 1. Arangkada na ang programang eksklusibo para sa motorsiklo. Tara na sa 2 oras na kulitan, usapan at matalinong kwentuhan kasama ang mga motorcycle riders, manufacturers at dealers. Alamin ang napapanahong balita at latest trends sa mundo ng riding community para sa smooth, easy and safe ride ng ating tropa. Sasamahan kayo Dina, Sir and Edwin ang Marita para sa kakaibang riding journey. Exclusivo sa motorsiklo. Sabado, alas 9 hanggang alas 11 ng umaga. Sa DZME 1530. Una sa kanan, ang himpilang may paninindigan.
beautiful life. It's about you, your health, your charity, your wellness. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's about your business, your journey, your beauty, your body. It's a beautiful life. In the hustle and bustle of digital age, let's step back and talk about our beautiful life, our journey, our challenges, and above all, our health and beauty. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Every Sunday, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Dito pa rin sa DZME 1530 ang Radyo Uno. Kasama si Miss Connie Lopez. It's a beautiful life. Sa programang ito, life is always beautiful.
From the news stories that matter, the issues and the newsmakers that capture the nation, to the discussions that will shape public opinion, they all meet here at the Crossroads. Crossroads. Your thoughts, your views, your voice. Welcome to a pause in your life. Welcome to what path to take. Welcome to a time of decision. Crossroads. Your thoughts, your views, your voice. For the opinions that present both sides of the issue in a manner that is comprehensive and objective. To the interviews and discussions that will build the nation. Join us at The Crossroads with Butch Pichay and Rita Gat every Sunday, 8 to 9 p.m. Dito pa rin sa DZME 1530. Radyo TV. Crossroads. Your thoughts, your views, your voice.
Music geek ka ba? If yes, welcome ka dito. Mga katropa, meet the new Teen Vibes Princess, Liv Gonzalez. The young and fashionable music lover. Sing your hearts out with the trendiest songs from local and international artists in the end of today's generation. What's life without music? What's music without Liv? Liv Gonzalez will bring you the latest hits across the globe. Every Saturday, 6 to 7 p.m. Teen Vibes Style, the soundtrack of our lives. Only here at DZME 1530 kHz, the simulcast over digital channel of DZME at Facebook and YouTube, and also simulcast to Channel 5 of Cable Link and CNET Cable. Teen Vibes, barkadahan at kantahan.
Usapang Tagumpay with Melanie Zambrano and Direct Frank Mamarin. Programang nakaka-inspire. Feel good ang talakyan. Kwentong success na nakakahappy. I-push mo ang pangarap sa Usapang Tagumpay. Tuwing Sabado, 1 hanggang 2 ng hapon. Dito lamang sa DZME 1530. Sa kanan, ang bilang ay paninindigan. Ang programa babalanse sa isang linggo mo. Gagabayan ka na ang buhay ay hindi puro trabaho at sakripisyo. Ito ay may iba pang benepisyo. Tara na at samahan sila Counselor Arnold Bivira at Miss Aida Gonzalez. Tuwing Sabado, 7 hanggang 8 ng umaga dito sa DZME 1530. Ang Radyo Uno. Ngayong Sabado, 7 to 8 p.m. Pakinggan si Dr. Eric Cruz sa programang Buhay Vlogger. Alamin ang kanilang struggles, challenges, and discipline of different influencers. Buhay Vlogger. Paano ba maging influencer? Know their contents, their strategies, their talents, and formulas for success. Buhay Vlogger. Lahat ng yan sasagutin ni Dr. Eric Cruz. Ang bago ninyong kanigiliwan tuwing Sabado, 7 hanggang 8 ng gabi. Buhay Vlogger. Dito lamang sa DZME 1530. Una sa kanan, ang himpilang bangay pag-inubigan.
Nangunguna sa balita, opinyon, musika, impormasyon, komentaryo at serbisyo publiko. Ito ang DZME 1530. Radyo TV.
Ang mga balita, ang mga komentaryo, ang mga opinyon ng publiko, ang mga legal na payo. Walang maitatago, walang maiiwan. Lahat mapag-uusapan. Lahat kasado. Kay Vic De Leon Lima. Tutok na at makiratsada dahil tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 12:30 hanggang alas 2 ng hapon, ang mga gusto mong marinig at malaman. Kasado. Kay Vic De Leon Lima. Kasado. Ito naman sa nag-iisang DZME 1530. Una sa kanan, ang himpilang may paninindigan.
Are you ready?